beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Not you, Fly. Kevin and Sala's Philippine Life. What's up with this fly? He likes me. Anyway, our new place, Green Turtle Residence in Zamboanguita. That's
Maluay Zamboanguita.
Yeah, something like that. So anyway, gonna show you our place. So obviously auto entrance there, pedestrian entrance here. You're fine. Anyway, okay, so this is the parking over here. We currently still have the truck, and on the other side of it is our new Click 160. And just some garden area here. Very beautiful landscaping, by the way. I think they currently have 6 available, or not available, 6 units that are being rented or can be rented. Some of them are 2 bedrooms, some of them are 1 bedroom.
1, 2.
They do have a rule about cooking smelly, like fish and stuff like that.
Dry fish?
Dry fish, thank God, in the rooms themselves, the units themselves. So they provide a grill, so I got a barbecue grill, and I use that for grill my chicken to food prep. This building houses their pool pump and water storage tank and filtration. And then they've got the area up above,
We will go there up.
which is a platform. You want to go up there?
Yeah, we go first. There's
Okay.
swimming pool.
So this is the pool area. They've got lounge chairs around the pool. Pool on this end, I think, is 3 feet, just maybe a touch over. And on the other end, I want to say it's close to 6 foot, just something under 6 foot. This is their pool room, storage tank, and filtration over there.
So I will show them.
Yeah, so the view up here is absolutely beautiful, especially, yeah, that direction. And that's Apple Island there, which supposedly has the best scuba diving in this area of the Philippines. And then these are the different units. So we got one over there. Yeah, they got that one there on that side. This one they're adding on to next to the water there. You can see the green temporary wall they got up. So they're actually turning that from a 1 bedroom into a 2 bedroom. And then the next building is 2 separate 1 units. Right now we're in the left side of that one. The next building over is also a 2 unit, 1 bedroom. And then the one we passed, which is over here, is a 2 bedroom. Pool, very nice pool. It's always clean, no issues.
Every day they have a
They got the
workers?
Yeah, the yard crew is out there every day trimming and pulling weeds.
We go there. So the beach later. So this is our what?
This is our room, our unit. So living room area, TV right there, kitchen area,
Our fridge.
the fridge.
It's full.
It's full, yeah.
And the freezer.
Yep. This is the backyard. Very small. They do have a washing machine over there in that big box, built box there. And trash cans right there. This is the bathroom. That's the bathroom. Shower on the other side. It's got a ceiling head and a wall head both. Hot and cold. Hot and cold on everything, by the way.
Multi-point.
Yeah, that's it here. And this room is our bedroom. So lots of storage behind the mirrors there. There's a bunch of shelving in there. Obviously you can see the hangers over there and drawers below it. Queen size bed. Plenty of lighting, aircon in both the living room and the bedroom. So 2 separate units. Aircon up there.
So should we show them the beach there?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
This is our front porch. So we got a little table set with 2 chairs, so you can sit out here and eat or just talk if you want. Each unit has its own washer, clothes washer.
Did I do laundry today?
Yep.
It's hanging all the rags.
So this is a beach out here. They do have a seawall for most of it.
Oh,
Which way you want to go? That way or that way?
maybe this way. What do you think?
Okay.
We have the shower.
Yeah, you got a shower here, foot wash, rinse if you want to rinse after you've been in the ocean.
I want to show them like this.
They did a good job designing this.
Sorry?
They did a good job designing this
Yeah.
property. It's not too crowded, but
It's greeny, right?
and still, yeah, very green.
So if you want to go out to the ocean, guys, this is the way. You have 2 gates, by the way, right?
Yeah, one gate here and then the other one on the other side of the property. So they got the seawall and the brakes. The beach is pretty rocky.
I think you can do snorkeling here, right? Some of our neighbor also do snorkeling, some of the guests. So that's it, guys. This is our, how many months, Bebe?
14 months.
14 months apartment. So it's really nice living here, so quiet, right? Especially at night, you can hear only the waves through ocean. So again, guys,
Yeah, it's actually very quiet here for the Philippines. Being in the Philippines, you can't hear any roosters, especially when you get into the unit itself. Like when you're sleeping, you can't hear any dogs barking, can't hear any roosters, no motorcycles going by because it's a dead end, and it's actually private property right there. The drive is actually private. Yeah, private road. Thank you. So it's probably the most quietest place I've seen in the Philippines or heard in the Philippines.
okay, guys, thank you for watching our YouTube video.
Yep.
To those who like and subscribe, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you to those all comments.
Yep.
We really appreciate you guys
Thank you.
giving time to us. We love you guys. God bless you all.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
We out. Bye.